Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and today I'm going to do an Amazon wig unboxing. AISI Wigs was good enough to send me a package, and here it is, and there's a little wig in here. I don't know how to say this. It's AISI, and I talked to the nicest lady. I've been getting emails from her. Her name is Wishy, and she is absolutely fantastic. She sent me a link to all of their stuff, and she actually let me pick out which wig that I wanted to review. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'm going to be right back and see what's in this package. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and I'm getting ready to open this package, and we're going to see what's in here. I've actually forgotten which wig I told her to send, to be honest with you, because I've slept since then, and it's been a hot minute. So I'm going to cut this open. I'm always terrified that I'm going to cut the wig. So let's just open this up, and it's got a little bag, and it is it's AISI hair wavy curly bob, number WS75-1R6-30-27-60. Here it is. Can you all, I don't know if you all can see that or not, but there it is. I will drop a link for this wig down in the description box. So let's just open and see what we got here. See. Well, here we go. I'm kind of excited about this because they have got a lot of really cute, inexpensive wigs, and I've been kind of excited to see what this looks like. This is a little bit longer wig than I usually wear. Okay, so it comes with a wig cap. You know how excited I am to get these. I lose these things all the time. So when I've got a new one, I'm just excited. So in here is, what is this? This is a thank you note and how to wear the wig. I always like to get stuff like this. I always like to read up on this stuff. So here is the wig. She's got that in there. She is number WS761, same number, R6/30/271613. I will put the number here to make sure. I'll look it up really good, and I'll put the number on here so that you can see. And I'll be sure to drop a link for her. So I'm going to put this wig on my head, and I'll be right back. Okay, before I put the wig on my head, I was going to go ahead and do it, but let's look at this real quick. Her hair is really soft. She feels really good. And the inside of her, she has just the basic wig cap with the elastic on the sides and the ear tabs. She's not an extremely high density wig either. She feels like she's fairly low density. She doesn't feel real extremely heavy. She's a little bit heavier than some of the other wigs I have, but she's not a hugely high density wig either. So I'm hoping she'll be nice and cool. So here's one more look at her. And I'm going to put her on my head and give you my first impression of the wig. Be right back. So here I am right out of the box. And you know what? Let me turn around. I actually really like the feel of this wig. I like the looks of this wig. You know, I may have to, thin the bangs down just a bit, maybe even thin the hair out just a little bit. This is probably about an average size wig cap. It fits me actually pretty well, but I do have on a wig cap and I have my wig grip on underneath it. All in all, not a bad little wig. I actually really I like this wig. It's fun. It's functional. It's got, I love the rooted part of this wig. Let me style her just a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so if I wanted to do just a little low ponytail, kind of like this, I certainly could. I really like the looks of this wig. I really do. If I wanted to just leave it be and add just a simple little headband, I picked these little headbands up on Amazon, and I really like this one because it's got flamingos on it, and I just think it's cute. But I could certainly wear something very much like this with it. I really like the ombre look. I like the way it goes from dark, you know, the dark rooted down to the really light on the ends. I really like this little wig. I think she's just a cute little wig. And you know, there's a musician that I follow on Instagram, and with these glasses, if my hair was dark, this is kind of her hairstyle. So I feel like I might just need to pick up a fiddle and just start playing it. I really, really like this wig. I would recommend the wig. Oddly enough, this is a hit from AISI Hair. I really like the wig. Is it a higher end wig? No, I think this wig is like $17.99, but for what it is, you are not going to be able to beat this wig. I like the feel of the hair. I think the density's nice on it. Just a cool, cute little wig. I will be wearing this wig. I will definitely be wearing this wig some this winter. This wig would be nice and warm to wear when it gets hot, when it gets colder, because it is really hot here now. But I really, I like the wig. Visit my website, Ninja Life Coaching, and when you get an opportunity, hop on over to my Amazon store. Check out my book, Lord, Am I Going Crazy? It's a 30-day devotional guide for women over 40. God bless, guys. Maranatha.